We're going to still talk about Walmart and Target because of those third quarter earnings showing Target went down, Walmart went up. We know that, but it's the why. Why are consumers making that choice beyond just dollars and cents? Well, as Sammy explains, it mostly comes down to how you view those stores, you as the consumer.
Target?
Yeah, the bouginess.
Or Walmart?
It's also mainly the prices.
According to this week's earnings reports, Walmart seems to be outpacing their Minneapolis-based competitor. Comparable sales for Walmart rose 5.3%, beating expectations, while Target, with comparable sales growth of 0.3%, falls short. The company's stock price also fell 21%.
Walmart's brand identity is very well defined and has been for a long time.
Akshay Rao is the General Mills Chair in Marketing at the Carlson School of Management at the University of Minnesota.
They're the low price leader in the retail business.
I like Walmart just because it's, I guess, a lot cheaper.
And then Target's brand. Target's a different kind of shopper.
We're a value store, which is the trade-off between price and quality. So you get good quality at a reasonable price as opposed to we're the lowest price always.
This is a really popular schmoozy brand. I just had a baby in June. As far as food goes, organic options.
But Target is massaging its brand, slashing prices on thousands of items to attract folks thinking of their pocketbook.
This talk about inflation and high prices all over the airwaves and has a psychological impact on everybody.
And more people did make their way into Target's last quarter.
It just feels like the aesthetics are more pleasing at Target.
Target saw a bump in store traffic, but revenue didn't rise with it.
The volume of transactions per customer has, in fact, not increased. You're selling inexpensive products to price-sensitive consumers, and these are relatively low-margin products.
And to rub salt in the wound, last quarter, 75% of Walmart's market share gains were from households making more than $100,000.
Everybody's probably thinking, man, I should probably be careful of how I spend money, so perhaps I should be going to Walmart.
We can come in here and we've saved on everything, so we'll come back to Walmart.
All this comes during a key season for the two retailers.
The time between Black Friday and Christmas Eve is where retailers make between 25 and 40% of their annual sales and profits.
Target CEO Brian Cornell says that's precisely the reason why they will focus on holiday merchandising and marketing plans.
While we aren't happy about the reduction in our outlook for the remainder of the year, we believe we're managing our business appropriately.
The CEO of Walmart indicated that prices were going to rise because of anticipated tariffs against China. Rao believes that will have an impact on consumers in the future. Jana?
Yeah, a lot of talk about that. We just don't know what yet. One other interesting thing I saw about Walmart, even if that happens, they have so many more stores. It's something like 5,000 or 6,000 in the country towards Target has 2,000. So they could almost absorb some of the cost.
Yeah, exactly. And that's going to be an interesting dynamic that plays out in the future.
All right. Thanks so much, Sammy. Appreciate it.